or rather that will take place in a few minutes, and later on that, as you can see there, the Azimio la Umoja coalition party flag bearer Raila Odinga, dressed in a purple tie, a color significant with the churches. Remember, he is attending the All Saints Cathedral church service. Right there, we can see that he will be making his way to the All Saints Cathedral, accompanied by members of his family. You can see the daughter right there. He will be attending that church service. And we did see, the convoy leave home, just about 20 to 30 minutes ago, leave the current residence, that is the residence for the Azimio la Umoja coalition party flag bearer Raila Odinga. He is currently at the All Saints Cathedral, ready for that church service, holding his daughter's hand right there as they, take the steps, step by step, as they move, or rather get into the cathedral grounds for that church service. And later on at 10 a.m. the presidential flag bearer Raila Odinga will present his nomination papers to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, at the BOMAS of Kenya. He will later hold a rally at Undugu grounds in Langata constituency from 12 p.m. And then in the afternoon, because it's quite a packed day for him, he will later proceed to Nakuru County for rallies, roadside rallies starting at 2 p.m., as well as a rally at Mazembe grounds, Bondeni, Ziwani at 4 p.m. These are live pictures coming in from the All Saints Cathedral. The Azimio la Umoja coalition party flag bearer Raila Odinga going into the holding area to be able to, of course, prepare for that church service, to perhaps seek God's blessings before his big step today that is being cleared at by the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, at the BOMAS of Kenya. And we do have our stellar crew right there at the BOMAS as well. Jeff Kiri will be joining us later on. But, Jeff, is coming back to you. We are seeing that Raila this time, this fifth stab, because, we've talked about the significant number 5, fifth stab, he will be seeking to be Kenya's, fifth president as well. Rather, he'll be seeking to be Kenya's next president. On his fifth stab, on the 5th of June, he'll be seeking to get clearance